The Earth, 200 million years ago, was split into two vast continents, a north and a south, divided by a large ocean in between, with no polar ice caps to the north or south of the planet yet. 160 million years ago, Arabia is yet to turn into the desert fruit of crude oil as we know today. What lay in the Arabic Oceans 160 million years ago is one of the most important causes of crude oil. Plankton in the ocean was yet to break down and form the particles causing crude oil. When the plankton in these vast oceans died and the seas dried up, the plankton was compressed under layers of sediment. Because of that, they had 160 million years to break down into the crude oil we use today. Earth now. We've evolved to a huge metropolis, burning crude oil to sustain our daily lives. Little do we know oil supplies are going to run out in the near future, and humanity as we know it will change drastically. As we can see, everything we use in a modern metropolis uses oil and produces harmful greenhouse gases. Oil is composed of many different elements, which is shown by the following slides. As you can see, it has about 83 to 87% carbon, 10 to 14% hydrogen, 0.1 to 2% nitrogen, 0.05% to 1.5% of oxygen. Oil causes many environmental issues. For example, if a ship crashes or an oil reservoir spills into the ocean, it can destroy a marine ecosystem. This was shown in the Gulf of Mexico oil spill and in the Rena oil spill. Majority of oil used is used by USA and Europe and the European Union. Most of the oil is also produced in Russia and Saudi Arabia. Russia produces 10,540,000 barrels a day, and Saudi Arabia produces 8,800,000. Crude oil has many effects, such as the bad ozone. Basically, there is a bad ozone and a good ozone. The ozone that is bad is generated by exhaust emissions and especially hot and humid days. Good ozone is a protective layer that exists high up in the atmosphere. Crude oil is used in many ways, such as gasoline, diesel fuel, heating oil, jet fuel, bunker fuel, fertilizers, plastics, paint, detergent, photographic film, and food additives. Algae is a possibility for a new type of power supply. This could be used instead of crude oil. Now, the thing about algae is this is a biofuel Gen 3, which means it uses less energy to get it than it burns itself. Our assignment question was crude oil, is it suitable for our future? And we decided no, it's not. And we need to change our oil burning ways. And we as a planet need to find an alternative fuel source.